So welcome here at the South Carolina State Capitol.
Hi guys, welcome back again to our channel. This is Wandering World, and for today's adventure we are going to tour around South Carolina State House. So if you haven't yet subscribed our channel, please do and hit the notification bell for our next adventure. So enjoy watching!
So welcome here at the South Carolina State Capitol.
State House. Burned by Sherman's troops in 1860. Bless you. I'm looking for the same thing. That's the tour office. How much is it?
$10.
Let's go over there. That's the tour office.
Yeah, so we're here at the gift shop, right? Hello. Maybe. Look at that.
I know. That's a
Look at
dome.
the plate. Wala, they have biscuit, baby. This one. Oh. Oh, that's nice.
$7.
Huh, that's not nice.
Okay.
Agala. $10.
In Texas.
Yes,
so that's
so
all
here's
kind of
Philippines, and
That's
the
kinda where
first
you-
here in the
You can kind
Philippines.
of hang out down there too, I guess.
Yes, and we have a Texas address, but there's 1,000 other people live at the same address we do.
That's cool.
So we can put it here also, Texas. Yeah, let's turn up here.
There is some.
We're going up. We're just going to have a self-guided tour today because we don't have time anymore for the tour. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, the rotunda. Yeah, it's so nice. Look at the table. Yeah, it's so nice. Under carpet. So this is the rotunda. This is their dome.
John C. Calhoun. Look at that up there.
So that's the House of Senate. We're heading to the House of the Representative.
And they have a spiral staircase over here.
Baby,
See this, they just let you walk around.
yeah, This is what I like.
Nice, isn't it?
It's really nice. It's different, right? Oh, look at this.
Yeah. That must be the gallery up there.
Here is the view. Look at this. Look at this one, guys. Waiting room. Oh, they have also stairway to heaven. Look at the library.
Yeah. This one.
So we're going up here, guys. So we are here already. And look at that one here. It's so nice. Yeah. Now we are going down.
Alright, see you later.
Okay. Yeah.
For you?
Oh, look at that building. Is it pretty? So, perting inita. So, mama uli nami kay manami sa mong tuyo dire. It's a big magnolia tree, according to Mr. Wandering. So we're going back now to the parking lot. You can park by the road, and it's just a walking distance to the state capitol. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This is Wandering World once again, and see you on our next adventure. So don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and hit the notification bell. So bye guys. So gauna na akong vana. Kay init kaayo. What? You're singing there. Bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.